Have you ever been driven crazy by outdated tools that seem to always work against you? It's time to say goodbye to that. Let's take a look at a list of the most amazing new tools on Amazon that are worth the money. These are new tools with unique features that help you get the job done in half the usual time. Vevor fish tape. Installing wiring often means working inside hidden spaces where every extra minute spent fighting the conduit slows the entire project. That's where the Vevor fish tape earns its place in the toolbox. Its 240-foot high manganese steel cable combines flexibility with durability, allowing it to negotiate 90-degree turns without easily deforming. The nickel-plated pulling head helps cables pass through complex conduit layouts with less resistance, while the thumb-operated brake improves handling and control. A sturdy ABS and PP housing protects the reel from accidental drops on busy job sites. Electricians, contractors, and home renovators can all benefit from its dependable performance. At approximately $31. Industrial safety helmet. Managing separate eye, ear, and head protection on a busy job site often leads to misplaced gear and unnecessary downtime. The Safe Builder Industrial Safety Helmet solves this by integrating dual clear and tinted PC visors directly alongside adjustable noise-reducing earmuffs into a single ANSI-certified ABS shell. Its 6-point suspension system spreads impacts evenly across head sizes, ranging from 21 to 25 inches, while vented channels prevent overheating during long shifts. It's ideal for heavy construction crews and utility workers who need seamless transition between bright daylight and low-light environments. Staying fully protected on site has never felt this streamlined, all for around $67. Inline clamp. Bulky bar clamps often clutter your workbench surface, making detailed assembly and pocket hole joinery far more awkward than it needs to be. Craig streamlines your layout with an ultra-compact inline clamp that drops directly into your shop's existing 3/4-inch dog hole grid. By delivering 250 pounds of sideways pressure through a 5-inch adjustable rod, it locks workpieces flat against your bench stops without taking up valuable overhead space. The contoured adjustment dial allows fine-tuned control, preventing delicate woods from crushing under pressure. Precision woodworkers and small shop craftsmen needing maximum clamping power in tight spaces will benefit tremendously. Streamlining your benchtop layout has never been this simple, typically priced around $20. Speed heater Cobra. Stripping old paint can be one of the most tedious parts of any restoration project, especially when chemical paint strippers create a mess or heat guns run too hot. The Speed heater Cobra takes a different approach by using infrared technology to soften paint in just seconds, making scraping easier without burning the surface. Operating between 230 and 320 degrees Fahrenheit, it maintains a much lower temperature than where lead can evaporate, offering a safer option for older buildings. Its lightweight body and flexible head make it particularly useful for furniture, windows, trim, and detailed woodwork. 5. Milescraft sand plane. Hand sanding curved edges and decorative trim can be frustrating because flat sanding blocks often miss the shape or leave uneven results. The Milescraft Sandplane 1620 solves that problem with 4 interchangeable sanding profiles that match concave, convex, V-groove, and flat surfaces. It accepts standard 5-inch hook and loop sanding discs, making replacements quick, while keeping the abrasive firmly in place during use. Its ergonomic body provides better control and reduces hand fatigue, making it a practical choice for woodworkers, furniture restorers, and DIY makers. At around $10, Worx WX 176. Constantly swapping back and forth between drill bits and driver bits while up on a ladder slows down simple projects and risks dropped hardware. The Worx switch driver solves this hassle with a dual rotating 1/4-inch chuck head that spins 180 degrees at the touch of a button. Powered by a 20-volt, 2-amp-hour battery, this tool features variable 2-speed gearing, topping out at 1,500 RPM for clean drilling and controlled driving. Weighing only 2 3/4 pounds, its electronic torque control automatically prevents over-tightening and stripped screw heads. DI. Yours and cabinet installers, building flat-pack furniture or hanging shelving will love the uninterrupted workflow. Around $100.
As you can see there, the light.
Stack rack. Drying multiple freshly painted doors often turns busy job sites into cluttered, unusable obstacle courses. The stack rack solves this issue with an innovative triangular design that locks together, allowing you to flip, paint, and vertically stack doors off the ground. Molded from rugged injection polymer and weighing just 8 ounces each, these compact brackets support interior or exterior doors up to 2 inches thick without contacting painted surfaces. Built-in sawhorse notches and trim tabs give you the flexibility to handle various trim styles alongside standard doors. Residential painting contractors and homeowners tackling full kitchen or house remodels will love how much floor space this frees up for roughly $90. Worx Portable Folding Workbench. One of the biggest frustrations in any workshop is running out of stable workspace just when a project starts getting bigger. The Worx Pegasus WX051 solves that by transforming from a portable workbench into a sturdy sawhorse in seconds, giving you extra support wherever the job takes you. Its 31 by 25-inch work surface folds flat for transport, yet supports up to 300 pounds as a workbench, and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Built from molded ABS with steel reinforcements, it also includes 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs for secure holding. Whether you're cutting lumber, painting, or making repairs, it's a versatile companion priced at around $127. Saker Miter Saw Protractor. If you have ever ruined an expensive piece of trim due to a miscalculated miter cut, you know how frustrating carpentry can be. This Saker angle finder utilizes an innovative O-ring design that rotates smoothly, capturing precise angles on irregular walls without slipping. Crafted from lightweight anodized aluminum alloy, it weighs practically nothing in your tool belt while standing up to everyday wear and tear. Instead of doing complex mathematical conversions in your head, you get a clear, direct angle readout ready for your miter saw. It is a smart addition for plumbers, framers, and home renovators looking to speed up installations. Expect to pay about $17. Woodpecker's tools. Loose screw heads and rough countersinks can quickly ruin the appearance of an otherwise well-crafted woodworking project. The Ezark 22-piece countersink drill bit set simplifies the process by combining drilling, countersinking, and counterboring into a single operation. Its dual flute 82-degree cutters create cleaner recesses with less vibration, while the nitrided HSS4341 bits improve wear resistance for repeated use. The kit also includes plug cutters, S2 screwdriver bits, a magnetic extension holder, and a storage case, making it ideal for furniture building, cabinetry, and DIY woodworking, at around $25. Concealed hinge jig. So, what is it? Cabinet projects can quickly become frustrating when even a tiny measuring error throws the hinges out of alignment. The Craig concealed hinge jig simplifies the process with a dedicated drilling guide built specifically for 35mm concealed hinges. A carbide 4-edge boring bit produces smooth, clean holes, and the adjustable guide supports several hinge setback options for greater flexibility. Because it works with virtually any hand drill, it's well suited for workshops, home renovations, and furniture projects alike, at approximately $40. Premium multi-purpose gloves. A great welding project can quickly turn uncomfortable when your gloves limit movement or struggle against constant heat and sparks. The Cayman Premium TIG welding gloves are designed to keep your hands protected without sacrificing precision. Their top-grain goatskin palm stays flexible for delicate TIG work, while the split cowhide back adds extra resistance where flying sparks are more common. Kevlar stitching improves long-term durability, and the 4-inch extended cuff shields your wrists during overhead or tight space welding. Ideal for professional welders and serious hobbyists alike, they're available for around $21, making safety and control easier to achieve.